Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our challenge, the Arcade-athon's last lab, which is a challenge lab, perform predictive and data analysis in BigQuery. Okay, before starting the solution of this lab, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of every previous lab. जितनी भी पिछले की 7 lab है, उन सब के solution channel पे upload हो चुके हैं, and it is in the form of playlist, and the link of that playlist is in the description box. Description box में जाके आपको इस सारी lab solution की playlist मिल जाएगी, और you can simply click on the I button on the top right corner of the video. जैसे आप वीडियो के आई बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे आपको प्लेलिस्ट एक्सेस हो जाएगी. ओके, नाउ क्लिक ऑन दिस लैब, स्टार्टेड, wait for the credentials to be loaded, click on the start lab button once, and yes, wait for the credentials. Now this lab is a little bit trickier because we have to fill certain details. So first of all, we need to copy the password. Right click upon open webcloud console and open it in incognito window only. Make sure you are in the incognito tab, click on the next button, paste the password that we just copied, hit enter, click on I understand, and we get logged in into our Google Cloud console. Wait for the dashboard to be established. Wait for a couple of seconds. Click on checkbox. Click on agree and continue. Now activate our Cloud Shell by clicking on this button. Activate Cloud Shell button. Wait for the connection to be established. Click on continue button. Now while it's establishing the connection, simply come back to the lab. Go to the description of this video and you will find the link of this GitHub file. This GitHub file contains all the code required to complete this lab. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to copy these starting 9 line. Okay, only copy these 9. Don't copy the whole code, only the first 9 lines. शुरुआत की 9 line copy करनी है. Copy it and open your notepad. Okay, you need to open the notepad on your computer. Open it and paste it here. And you have to fill these values. So from where you can get these values, simply come back to the lab. Start from here. The table name, you need to copy the event table name and paste it here after the event. And for the table, copy the text table name and paste it here. Okay, paste it after the table equals to. Okay, and for the model name, you can copy this model name, this one, copy it very carefully. This is the model name you need to copy. Come back to here, paste it after the equals to. We need to fill these value of x1, y1, x2, y2, function 1 and function 2. So for that, click on the task number 3 from the right panel and you will see all these value. This is the x1, so copy it, open it here. One by one, paste, type your x1, y1 value. So 120 is the x1 value and 55 is the y1 value. Okay, so paste it here. X2 value is this one, 102. You can see in the line number 3, 102. In your case, it can be different. So you have to copy yours. And for the y2, it's 74. In my case, this is here. You can see 74. Now type here. For the function underscore 1 value, once again, I was talking about these values 120, 55, 102, and 74. Okay, if you have confusion, make sure you fill the details very carefully. Now scroll down to the task number 4. This is the function 1 value, so copy it very carefully. Make sure you don't copy any extra spacing. Come back to here, paste it after the equals to. Now for the function number 2, this is the value. Copy it very carefully once again. Copy it. Paste it after the equals to. Now we are good to go. We can simply copy the whole command once again. Copy it. Come back to the lab. Click on got it and paste the command that we just copied and hit enter button. We are good to go. We didn't see any error. It means we have successfully completed this. Now for the next command, simply come back to the GitHub file and copy the rest of the code from here. Starting from the line number 13, copy the rest of the code. Make sure you copy it very carefully. Don't miss anything. आपको last तक ठीक से copy करना है इसे. Once again, starting from the 13th line. शुरुआत का code अब copy नहीं करना है. 13th line से जितना code है वो सारा copy कर लेना है. Okay. Come back to here, paste it here, hit enter button, and wait for this command to execute. Click on the authorize button, and this command will take around 1 to 2 minutes to get executed. In that time, what you can do, simply go to the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, press the notification icon, so you will be getting the instant notification of every solution video that I will be uploading in the future. Okay, now sit back and relax and wait for this command to get executed. जैसे ही command execute हो जाएगा, हमें एक big query run करनी है, वो query run करते ही हमारा lab complete हो जाएगा. Okay, now simply sit back and wait. So now our command is executed. We are good to go. We can simply come back to the lab and go to the task number 4 here, task number 4, and copy the first query. Okay, copy this one, copy the first command, come back to here. In the search bar, search for the BigQuery and open the BigQuery tab. We can minimize this terminal now and click on done button. From here, click on this untitled query, paste the query that we just copied and click on the run button. You will see the results here. Wait for the results to be visible. We can see we are under the results tab. We are good to go. We can simply come back to here, scroll down, Copy the next query. Come back to here, click on plus icon. Paste the query that we just copied. Click on the run button. Wait for it to execute. It's executing and it's executed. Now come back to here, and starting from the task number 1, we will get the green tick one by one. So click on the check my progress for the task number 1. You will get the green tick here. For the task number 2, you will also get the green tick in this. Assessment completed. Now for the task number 3, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick. Now for the task number 4, simply click on the check my progress. We are good to go now. Click on this. And that's it. Click on this check my progress. Click on this last one. Once you get the green tick in this, your assessment is completed, and congratulations, your lab is also completed. The lab was a little bit trickier because we have to uh, uh, fill the details very carefully. And if you are facing any error in this lab, make sure you fill these, you check these details in your code. Okay, so अगर आपको error आ रही है, इसका मतलब इस कोड में आपने कोई error की है, तो आपको इसको ठीक से copy paste करना है या check करना है. आपके values जो है वो आपको fill करनी है. Now simply click on the end lab button. Click on the end lab button once again. Click on the star ratings, click on the submit button. Come back to main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. Main page पे आएंगे, scroll down करेंगे, open the module, and you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. Okay, so if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Goodbye.